Hi, my name is Maxim, and we're continuing on with, and this is episode 3, and we're continuing on with superheroes, and this is page 24. Yeah. There. So this and this one right there. And it's going to be like, and then I put this right here. Yay! No, he just. And then, so yeah. And I put these orange, and I put this right here. And then I put one right here, and the other one right here. Like that. Like that. And then I put this next to here. Oh, now I get it. So now I'm going to page 27. Ooh, that's cool. So I need red and green. And I put it right here. And then I need this, which is kind of weird. I put it right here. Like this. But actually the other way, because this thing doesn't make it that thin. And now I'll do this. So I put this right here. And I need 2 of these, like silver, gray, I don't know. And I have to put it right here. Like that. Oh. And now I'm moving to page 30. Which I need 2 blacks like this, and I put it right here, like that. Now I have to do something like, I don't know, but I have to, because it says on the instructions, but this is kind of weird. Oh, I need the other one. There. And then one right here, like that. Ooh, I need this. And I have to put this in here. It's like a shooting gun that looks like in the house. And then I put this right here, and one line over this. And now I put this over here. Right here. And there we go. And now, oh my God, I put it. that. And there. So I do like right here. So this was episode 3. And next is going to be episode 4. So look at this. See you again. Bye.